Y'all, I'm gonna get a haircut soon. I think I'm getting a haircut.
Yeah.
Depends when the haircutters close. They might already be closed, so we don't know. About to find out.
Don't look.
Basically an Alex Wasabi cut. It's close. Some of my old hair. Should I eat some hair?
No.
Gross.
Ew. No. Get it out.
Bobby, pieces of it. I know your hair.
Yeah.
Leave that stupid video.
It's all out. Okay.
Strap in.
Digging a fresh cut, y'all.
I have my iPad.
Now I look like Alex Wasabi.
No, I think we're done with electronics today.
Oh, I want to call Daddy.
You always say that when I take it away from you. Call him later. Or you can wait till he comes back on my phone.
Wasabi protections.
Strapped in, Emily?
Wasabi protections.
Should we eat pizza tonight?
This mailbox is mine.
We have pizza at home, is that what you mean?
No.
Frozen pizzas?
She was delivering pizza.
No, I can't really spend any more money on today, baby.
One with Cody and Connor, one with Cody and Connor, one with, Madison.
What does that smell? Does somebody have perfume on it? Did she put something in your hair?
Yeah, she put product in my hair.
Too strong.
My tongue's blue.
What color is mine?
Red.
Nothing pink. Oh wait, yours is dark something. I can't tell. That sunset though.
Tired. I'm so tired.
Mama, if I met FGTV in real life, I would go crazy.
I wouldn't. I would probably kill me. I'm just kidding.
FGTV's like amazing. Every single channel that they have has the gold play button.
I almost have the gold play button. I'm really close. I have 36 subs.
Really?
Yeah.
How much do you need for the gold play button?
Wait, no.
100 million.
No. You need, like,
No, 10.
I think you need 5 million.
You need 10,000.
No.
100,000.
No. Once you hit 1 million, that's the silver play button. Then when you hit 5 million, that's gold. 10 million is diamond, and 50 million is ruby. I don't know what 10 million is. It's probably something else. I don't know.
10 million is your certificate for YouTube.
I already have one now. Organizing
Pull these bins out of here.
boxes. Where'd my hair go? My hair's missing.
Yay.
Oh, it was stuck to my butt. Got him. Now I have butt hair.
Hairy butt.
I should put this in my butt cheeks and then walk around. And then take it out and then see how hairy my butt is. On camera. Oh, that looks bad. I screwed with it though, so it's my fault. I screwed with my hair though, so it looks bad now.
Don't touch it. Leave it alone. Looks
I
fine.
have to make it look good again.
It does look good. It looks the same as it did.
There we go. Guess what just came in the mail? This package. Oh, I just showed you guys the barcode. That's probably illegal. Okay. And I felt it, and it feels like a Fidget cube, so let's open it up. This might be the one I'm giving away. I know, I might be giving away the black one. I'm not sure, guys. This is a Fidget cube. Oh, wait. Oh.
It is. It's
Oh,
green.
there it is. It's awesome. It's beautiful. Hey. No.
I'm trying to find the opening.
I know, don't find the opening. I don't want you.
I already saw it.
Nothing else comes.
Mama, you want to go hot dogs now? Yay!
It's a fidget cube.
Now start organizing those.
Mommy, it's a fidget cube.
Wait, Mama? Mama got a fidget cube?
No, I did. There we go.
I don't think they're gonna be able to see, honey. It's dark.
I know, I wanted lighting, but there's no lighting.
You gotta turn the other way so that the light faces your face. No, you turn the other way. Turn your body around. See?
Fidget cube. Is this?
Now, help your brother and you two start organizing those boxes.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him.
It's already so late, it's 9 o'clock p.m. Bro, my mustache is growing. It's getting big. And we got the joystick up here.
Wait,
We got
do
the
the
ball.
buttons.
And there's the 1, 2, 3 that work. All of them work?
Yeah, that's what fidget cubes are, right? Like I told you.
Oh, well, I've seen YouTubers who get fidget cubes and not all their buttons work. That's weird. I guess it's just like that brand fidget cube all over. The finger imprint doesn't feel really like an imprint. The black one does feel like more of an imprint. And grab my beard. Hey, I got a beard, y'all. I just had to get some glue and glues to my chin. Sorry for shenanigans, but what's with all the mannequins and swear I'm not a hooligan. Just wondering what you're doing right now. It's so addicting already. Yo, what's up, yos? Yos, yo. That's my icebreaker. Wow. Hey guys, let's go inside. Oh god, it's so dark and the spider webs are getting eaten by mosquitoes right now. They look pretty good. What you want to do to have a fake beard is get some of your hair that you've cut off. First, you need glue. Get your glue. Make sure it's a glue stick. Down what you want to do.
I kind of want popsicles, especially the grape flavored.
Yo, I just got my teacher assignment. I got a teacher, and it's a she. I don't know if she is in team with Mr. Price. I hope so. I think she might be. I'm not sure.
Did you find it, honey? It's on the top, on the right hand side, honey, and a sticker. I think.
Oh, I see it. I'm sorry, what teacher did you want me to have?
I wanted you to have Miss Griggs.
It has a McDaniel.
McDaniel?
That
I don't know who that is.
McDaniel.
Miss McDaniel?
You don't know who McDaniel?
No, I don't. Wait.
She's...
Here we go. So you want to take it?
Go get your yearbook, Madeline. We'll look her up. See what she looks like.
I know what Miss Daniel looks like.
Oh, you do?
But you guys don't, so I'm ready.
Hey! Howdy, y'all. I have a mustache.
Oh my God.